Hey everybody, we've had a lot of questions recently about all the different ways that SumoQuote can be used and some unique ways or advice on how to create value for customers and keep increasing your sales. So we want to create a quick video to walk you through some of these things. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of samples and then a quick demo to show you how it works within SumoQuote. On your screen here, you can see a cover report. This is of Epic Roofing, which is a roofing company that I'm actually an owner of, besides being the founder of SumoQuote. So we've put the client's house on the cover here. And as we go through, we've got an introduction page that kind of explains the scope of work and how we're going to work with the homeowner on this project. Now, some of the interesting things you can do with SumoQuote is stitch in custom marketing pages. So this is a great one from Atlas, showing the difference of the Scotchgard in their shingle compared to other products out there. One of the other ways we've used this for our business is we created a how to compare contractors page. So this is a way to really help set your business apart compared to other contractors. Also, lots of interesting marketing pages that you can build and create. We're happy to share more that we've done as well. On the next page here, obviously you can show photos, mark them up, do notes. We got a great integration with Company Cam. Quotes, of course, SumoQuote. So this one we did a good, better, best on. So here's our good quote, followed by our better, giving them some options and some upgrades and talking about advantages, and moving on to our best and really trying to upsell them on the product side. And of course, when they're signing off, they can select what package works for them. They can consider some optional upgrades. They can e-sign this, there's product selection. So there's a lot of interesting e-signing built into this. When they're signing, they're typically picking colors. So we've stitched in a couple more product pages that we've taken from Atlas in this case, and we've included our terms and conditions. So that's a quick sample of how you can mock up and have your quote look really professional and really stand out against the competition out there. Now, one of the other ways you can use SumoQuote is project summary reports. I mean, you can do inspection reports, maintenance reports, contingency agreements, but this is a unique one, and this has really helped grow our service department. It's helped grow it by over 300% over the last few years. So at the end of a job like this one on your screen, we did the repairs to this building, and now we're explaining those repairs to the board. So we're telling them, hey, here's what we did, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we explain those repairs. And then we go through, and on our inspection page, we actually retitle it Project Photos, and now we show them the repairs that we completed, right? So in this case, these dryer vents weren't venting properly, big fire hazard building up behind the siding. Here's how we corrected it for you. Now this is a big value add that we give that 99% of contractors are not doing out there. So it lets the board understand the repairs that were completed. And now in this case, we actually give them a warranty certificate, and we've custom built a marketing page to market our other services to them. So this is a great way to differentiate yourself, is by doing a project summary report, showing them the work you completed, and getting them excited about how transparent you've been, how you've documented things, and just that extra value, the above and beyond that you've done for them. Now, if I jump over to SumoQuote here, I'm going to walk you through building a report here quickly. So in this case, I could create a new project. I'm actually going to pull it out from Company Cam. So when I click on the Company Cam icon here and I search for a client's name or address, I can find that in Company Cam and I can link that. So what I've done is I've pulled in the client information, and now I'm going to click on here to start building a report. So because I linked to Company Cam, now on the pages, wherever there's a photo area like this one on the title page, the primary image, now I've got a button and that I can click to choose from Company Cam. I can drag and drop it in. I can, on my iPad, I can use my camera app to shoot a photo and it dumps it automatically, but I'm going to pick it out of my Company Cam account here, and I'm going to go through, grab the image I want, and just insert it directly. So a really smooth process between SumoQuote and Company Cam. The rest of the information on this page is already filled in. I'm going to click View Page, and that's going to show me what this is going to look like to the client. So just by adding on that cover image, I've already created my cover page for this. And now I'm just going to go through, I'm going to click on the introduction page, which automatically turns on. If I didn't want to include this page, I would just toggle it off. But now I can go through, and on this page, I'm going to view my templates. I'm going to grab my retail template. I'm going to put the customer's name in here. and I'm done my introduction page now also. I could customize the wording on this more if I wanted to, but very, very fast to move between templates and just to customize that quickly. On the inspection page, I can add items, I can delete items, I can add my photos and make notes. I'm going to get from Company Cam again. And in here, I'm going to click on the images that I want to insert. So you can click on multiple at a time, and then that's automatically going to pull them into SumoQuote. Of course, we can click here, we can reorder these, we can make notes in here. And then it's easy for us to edit these images directly in SumoQuote also. So in this case, I just zoom in with my mouse, I crop this, and now I'm going to annotate this. And I'm going to go, and I'm actually going to show them where this window is going to be that we're talking about. So easy to do this stuff really fast in SumoQuote or in Company Cam. Either works. Going through here still, quote details page, we can preload our existing line items, our unit prices, and start filling this in. We can click to add another quote. So we can do a roofing quote. If I go to my templates, I'm going to add a siding quote here using my Hardy quote here. And I could add another painting quote or something as well. You can easy to move these around depending on how you want to present them. Or you can also, this icon means that I've linked my tabs together. So if I hit use this, it replaces all of my tabs and I've got a good, better, best that's automatically in there. Authorization page is going to work similar. I'm going to go terms and conditions. I'm going to make sure when they're e-signing that the customers acknowledge this page. And now I'm going to add some custom pages to really tune this up and professionalize it. So I'm going to click on my company marketing page here. And maybe I've got a page on how we're going to manage COVID safely. And I want the customers to acknowledge this page as well, our COVID safety plan. And I'm going to drag and drop this up in my presentation. And then I'm going to add another custom page. I'm going to go into my roofing documents and add an atlas colors here and drag and drop that after my authorization page. So if I hit review and share, we've got this whole thing built. Once you get your templates built in SumoQuote, the content how you like it, and some of these custom marketing pages, it can be done very, very fast. It can be done in the field or in the office. There's some really slick ways that you can do this. And then I just hit send for signing and they can e-sign this. Of course, we've got email templates here as well so that we don't have to spend time writing out emails. Check out SumoQuote.com. If you'd like to reach out to us directly, hello@SumoQuote.com. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to walk you through this stuff. And we know this is going to make a massive difference in helping you close more deals and really stand out from the competition there. Thanks so much, you guys, and have a great day.